G'day everyone, just taking out my new GoPro 12. What you're looking at is the back of the Cloncurry hospital accommodation. Very nice quarters. Just checking out the horizontal lock on the GoPro, and I was quite impressed. This is the first day that I got it, and just mucking around with it. And as you see, as we're going through the driveway there, the picture stays completely horizontal and I'm going over the bumps. Now of course it's a straight on view and you can't really look left and right. You instinctively want to look left and right, but it's just a straight on view. That's the Cloncurry Hospital on the left hand side. Cloncurry is a rural town and locality in the Shire of Cloncurry, and it's affectionately known as the Curry by the locals, and has a population of around 2,500 people as of August 2021. Now we're just coming up to the Discovery Park, and I'm pretty glad I stopped short of the dotted line here as the cement truck's about to come around the corner. Just remember, give vehicles a wide berth and travel defensively. You'll always come out a lot better if you drive defensively and don't drive aggressively. So anyway, we're going along the main street of Cloncurry, which goes from Townsville to Mount Isa. We're about 120 kilometres to the east of Mount Isa, a major mining area of Queensland, and we're along the minerals area of northwest Queensland, and Cloncurry is well known for its copper mines and its cattle. Coming up on the left hand side is the Mary Kathleen Park and the windmill. It's a very interesting park as well. Got some exhibits from the old Mary Kathleen mine, which was a uranium mine about 20 or 40 kilometres between Cloncurry and Mount. Just past the Gidgee Inn. I stayed there in 1999. Doesn't look like it's changed one little bit. Rail plays an important part in moving around minerals and other freight, as do road trains. Plenty of them traverse from Mount Isa to Townsville, and petrol, you need to phone or ring ahead because the price varies. It's up around $2, over $2 as of November 2023. And we just chuck a righty, then a left. We'll go past the Leichhardt Hotel Motel, which is a very nice establishment. And on the left-hand side is the Urban Leaf, which opened earlier this year, I believe, and you can get a nice breakfast and lunch 6 days a week. It's closed Mondays. We're coming to the end of our little trip to the Cloncurry Bakery, and it's just a little bit further past the IGA, which is coming up on the left-hand side. And they've got a great assortment of meat pies, cakes, sandwiches, coffees, all that sort of thing. And when we pull in, you'll see the council chambers, and just to the left is the Shire Library, and it's very nice inside. They've got computer services and lots of books and lots of activities for the kids. It's really impressive. Okay, thanks very much for watching. See you later.